It wasn't just a massive tomb. It was a resurrection machine. 4,500 years ago, Pharaoh Khufu ordered this stairway to the stars to ensure his transition into a god.
Forget Hollywood slaves. Archaeology proves these were 20,000 skilled Egyptian laborers. Paid tax workers, fed high-protein diets, working in rotations as a national act of devotion.
They moved 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighed as much as 2 elephants. Quarried nearby or shipped 500 miles down the Nile, all moved without the wheel, just muscle, water, and sleds.
How do you stack stones 480 feet high? No aliens required. Engineers debate straight ramps, zigzag ramps, or even an internal spiral ramp. It remains the great.
It didn't look stepped like today. Originally, it was encased in highly polished white limestone, topped with a gold capstone. It shone like a blinding second sun across the desert.
We enter through a 9th century robber's tunnel, bypassing the hidden original door. Inside is a complex, claustrophobic system of descending and ascending passageways leading to 3 distinct chambers.
Deep beneath the plateau bedrock lies the mysterious subterranean chamber, rough and unfinished. Was it a decoy for thieves, or did the pharaoh simply change his mind and build up?
Ascending toward the heart is the Grand Gallery. A soaring, corbelled hall 28 feet high with polished walls. It is an architectural masterpiece, the final pathway to the pharaoh.
The king's chamber, lined entirely with massive red granite beams shipped from Aswan. It holds only a lidless sarcophagus. The mummy and the treasures were looted in antiquity.
Narrow air shafts extend from the chambers. They weren't for ventilation. They pointed precisely at stars like Orion. These were cosmic launching pads for the pharaoh's soul to reach heaven.